Do you like my zit? I made it myself.
Guys, gals, and Gungans, welcome back to the channel, and today I have an announcement which is a new series, and also technically my first series, but because I have so many interests, I'm going to break my channel up into more series in the future for all our sakes. For some context, I've found over the past couple of years that it takes me almost exactly 2 weeks to learn any new trade or piece of software, as long as I obsess about it for those 2 weeks, and it's me, I can't not obsess about it. So for this series, I'm going to take exactly 2 weeks to see how well I can master a given craft, starting with Blender VSE. I have played around a little with VSE in the past, but I never really got the hang of it, so while I'm not technically starting from scratch for this, I am still rudimentary enough for our purposes here. So to kick off this series, I'm going to start by editing this footage, and what that means for you is that if you're watching this, the first episode of Learning Curve is already uploaded and ready for your beautiful, awe-inspiring eyes. I'm sorry I did. I'm gonna do it again though. You know I am. That video will be linked in the description, and I will also shove it in a card on screen now. Let me know what you think. If you feel so inclined, make coffee and learn new shit. Sorry for all the noise, by the way. That's...